Hey there, fitness family. The Buff Camper here. Are you tired of your microwave being your best friend? Feeling like you're in a never-ending battle with takeout menus? Well, fear not, because today we're diving into the delicious world of meal preps. Let's face it, life can get hectic. Between work, errands, and Netflix marathons, who has time to whip up a gourmet meal every night? That's where meal prep swoops in like a culinary hero, saving the day one Tupperware container at a time. But wait. Before you go all master chef in your kitchen, let's talk strategy. First up, plan like your taste buds depend on it. Take a few minutes each week, sketch out your meals, hit up the grocery store, and stock up on all the essentials. Keep it simple with meals like grilled chicken with roasted veggies, a big batch of chili, or a colorful salad with pre-cooked chicken in there. Now on to the fun part. Cooking up a storm. Channel your inner chef and whip up a batch of your favorite meals in one go. Try sheet pan dinners, just toss your protein and veggies with some olive oil and seasoning, then roast it all together for an easy hands-off meal. Or how about a big pot of soup or stew? It's like a warm hug in a bowl and perfect for chilly days. But here's the kicker. Portion control. It's all too easy to go overboard and end up with enough food to feed a small army. Ain't nobody got time for that. Keep it simple with single serving containers or even mason jars or for salads or for overnight oats. That way you can grab and go without even worrying about overdoing it. Now let's talk about storage. Invest in some quality containers that can handle the heat and the cold. Glass containers are great for reheating, while plastic containers are lightweight and perfect for on-the-go meals. And don't forget to label everything. Trust me, you'll thank me later when you're not over here playing a guessing game with mystery leftovers. Last but not least, embrace the freezer. Seriously, it's like a time machine for food. Batch cook your meals, divvy them up into freezer-friendly containers, and voila, instant dinner whenever you need it. Try freezer-friendly meals like burrito bowls, veggie-packed pasta sauce, or even homemade veggie burgers, or just regular burgers. Say goodbye to last-minute scrambles and hello to stress-free meals in a flash. So there you have it, meal prep made easy. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned pro, give it a whirl and watch your busy life transform into a culinary adventure. Until next time, keep cooking, keep conquering, and keep those taste buds tingling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.